Google's next flagship smartphones are still weeks away, but the leaks surrounding the Pixel 11 series have already painted a very interesting picture. If the latest rumors are accurate, the Pixel 11 lineup could become Google's biggest upgrade in years. From a brand new Tensor processor and upgraded cameras to AI-powered software and a completely new notification system, there is a lot to talk about. Google is expected to launch 4 smartphones once again. The lineup will likely include the Pixel 11, Pixel 11 Pro, Pixel 11 Pro XL, and the Pixel 11 Pro Fold. Based on Google's recent launch schedule, these devices are expected to arrive in August 2026, with many reports pointing toward the middle of the month. As for the foldable model, it may launch a little later, just like previous generations. One of the biggest questions is pricing. At the moment, nothing is officially confirmed, but if Google follows its current strategy, the Pixel 11 could start around $799, while the Pro models may cost around $999. The Pro XL and Fold could reach well above $1,000. However, many analysts believe a small price increase is possible this year because of rising hardware costs. Interestingly, Google may try to keep prices under control by offering 2 RAM versions of the Pro models. Instead of every Pro phone coming with 16 GB RAM, buyers might get a choice between 12 GB and 16 GB. That could help Google keep the starting price lower without making huge compromises. Now let's talk about the design. If anyone is expecting a dramatic redesign, that probably won't happen this year. According to leaked CAD renders, the Pixel 11 series will look very similar to the Pixel 10 lineup. The camera bar remains, the overall shape stays almost identical, and even the dimensions barely change. There are still a few noticeable improvements. The bezels around the display are expected to become thinner, making the front look more modern. The camera bar may also switch to an all-glass design, giving the phones a cleaner appearance. The Pixel 11 Pro Fold is also expected to become slimmer than its predecessor. While it may still not be the thinnest foldable on the market, reducing its thickness should make it much more comfortable to carry and use. Google also appears to be changing its color strategy. Instead of bright and flashy colors, leaked wallpapers suggest more premium shades like midnight, pine green, blue, beige, black, and soft purple tones. The overall look seems much more elegant than previous Pixel generations. The display could also receive meaningful upgrades. Reports suggest Google may use Samsung's latest M16 OLED display panels. These screens are expected to offer higher brightness, improved color accuracy, better power efficiency, and longer lifespan. Refresh rates could also improve beyond the current 120Hz standard, although that part has not yet been confirmed. Performance is another area where Google seems ready to make major improvements. The Pixel 11 series is expected to introduce the new Tensor G6 processor. This chip may be manufactured using TSMC's advanced 2nm process, making it more efficient and significantly more powerful than previous Tensor chips. CPU performance is expected to receive a noticeable boost, helping everything from multitasking to AI processing feel much faster. However, there is one concern. Several leaks suggest the GPU upgrade may not be as impressive. If those rumors are accurate, gaming performance could still fall behind flagship competitors like Samsung and Apple. So while everyday performance and AI tasks may improve greatly, serious mobile gamers might not see the huge leap they were hoping for. Google is also reportedly switching from Samsung's modem to MediaTek's latest M90 modem. This could improve network speeds, battery efficiency, satellite connectivity, and overall signal reliability. Storage may remain another disappointing area. Current rumors suggest the base Pixel 11 may still start with only 128 GB of storage, something many users believe is simply not enough in 2026. Now let's move to what Pixel phones are famous for, the cameras. The Pixel 11 series could receive one of Google's biggest camera upgrades in years. Leaks suggest brand new 50-megapixel main sensors across the lineup. The Pro models may also receive improved telephoto cameras for even better zoom quality. Speaking of zoom, Google is reportedly working on up to 100 times zoom capabilities, allowing users to capture distant subjects with much greater detail. Video recording could also become much smarter. A new cinematic blur mode may support 4K recording while creating professional-looking background blur. Another feature called Video Relight may allow users to adjust lighting after recording, something that could completely change mobile video editing. One of the most exciting additions is ultra-low light video. Unlike previous night sight video modes that relied on cloud processing, this new feature could process everything directly on the phone using the Tensor G6 chip. That means brighter and cleaner videos in dark environments without needing an internet connection. Google's AI improvements may not stop there. The Pixel 11 could introduce features like Speak to Tweak, allowing users to edit photos using only voice commands. Sketch to Image may turn simple drawings into detailed artwork using AI. Health tracking may also become much smarter, with rumored features including sleep monitoring, snoring detection, cough detection, fall detection, and AI-powered running analysis. Android 17 is expected to come pre-installed, bringing Google's latest AI tools and Gemini features directly out of the box. Another interesting leak involves something called Pixel Glow. This feature could use colored lights on the back of the phone to display important notifications while the phone is lying face down. Instead of constantly checking the screen, users could identify calls, messages, or alerts simply by looking at different light colors. It is a feature that could help reduce unnecessary screen time while still keeping users informed. Unfortunately, not every rumor is positive. Reports suggest Google's advanced Face ID-style facial recognition system has been delayed and may not arrive until next year's Pixel phones. The temperature sensor found on previous Pro models may also disappear completely. Finally, there is one surprising rumor about the Pixel 11 Pro Fold. Google has reportedly explored the possibility of a removable battery for the foldable model. If this feature actually reaches production, it would be one of the biggest changes seen in smartphones in many years. Combined with faster wired charging and improved Qi 2 wireless charging, battery life could become another major selling point. Overall, the Pixel 11 series is shaping up to be an exciting upgrade. While the design may remain familiar, improvements in AI, cameras, performance, displays, and software could make these some of the smartest Android phones Google has ever built. Of course, these are still leaks and rumors, so the final specifications may change before launch. But if even most of these reports turn out to be accurate, the Pixel 11 lineup could become one of the biggest smartphone releases of 2026. For all the latest Pixel 11 updates, smartphone leaks, and tech news, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.